What happens when robots stop being just a demonstration and start becoming real workers? At the World Artificial Intelligence Conference 2026 in Shanghai, this future is becoming closer to reality. From humanoid robots helping visitors to AI agents completing complex tasks, WAIC 2026 shows that artificial intelligence is entering a new stage. AI is no longer only about answering questions. It is about taking action, solving problems, and working alongside humans. The 2026 World Artificial Intelligence Conference, also known as WAIC, was held in Shanghai from July 17th to 20th. This year's biggest message was clear. AI is moving from the laboratory into the real world. In previous years, the competition was mainly about large language models. Companies were asking, who has the smartest AI model? But in 2026, the question has changed. How can AI create real value in everyday work? This year's conference focused on several major trends: AI agents, embodied intelligence, AI chips, industrial applications, and responsible AI development. One of the biggest attractions at WAIC 2026 was humanoid robots. But compared with previous years, the focus was very different. People were no longer only interested in whether robots could dance or perform impressive movements. The real question was, can robots actually work? This year's event, robots were used for practical tasks, including visitor guidance, information services, industrial demonstrations, and human-robot collaboration. One company attracting major attention was AGIBOT, a Chinese company specializing in embodied AI and robotics. At WAIC 2026, AGIBOT introduced 4 new products: the 3 Ultra, X2 Edu, G2 Max, and OmniHand 3 Ultram. More importantly, more than 30 AGIBOT robots were operating across the WAIC venues, helping visitors and providing on-site services. This represents a major shift. Robots are moving from exhibition displays into real working environments. Another major trend at WAIC 2026 was AI agents. Most people are familiar with chatbots like ChatGPT. They answer questions and provide information. But AI agents go much further. They can plan tasks, make decisions, use different tools, and complete multiple steps automatically. For example, instead of asking AI, write a report for me, an AI agent could potentially collect information, analyze data, create a document, and complete a workflow with much less human input. This means AI is becoming less like a search engine and more like a digital colleague. Behind all these developments is another important area: AI infrastructure. Powerful AI systems require powerful computing. At WAIC 2026, companies showcased advances in AI chips and computing platforms. Huawei's Ascend 950 Supernode was one example of next-generation AI computing infrastructure. At the same time, AI applications are expanding into industries such as healthcare, scientific research, manufacturing, and industrial design. The future of AI will not only be measured by how intelligent a model is. It will also depend on how effectively it can improve the real economy. However, smarter AI also brings new challenges. As AI becomes more powerful, questions about safety, privacy, and responsibility become increasingly important. WAIC 2026 also highlighted the importance of AI governance. The future of artificial intelligence is not only about innovation. It is also about building trust. WAIC 2026 sends a clear message. The next era of AI is not just about bigger models. It is about smarter applications. From robots working alongside humans to AI agents helping people complete complex tasks, artificial intelligence is moving from the screen into the physical world. The question is no longer, can AI do something? The question is, how will AI change the way we live and work?